factors, right? Highest common factor, very, very good. There's so many things I can show you from here. So many things. But let's start from the basics. What is the highest common factors? In some textbooks, they call them greatest common factors. So whatever you see is the same thing. Greatest common factors or highest common factor. If I'm asking for the highest common factors of a certain group of numbers, I'm looking for the largest number that can divide all of them without a number. Or I'm looking for the largest factor. So if I give you something like 20 and 24 and 28, I said find the highest common factors of this. 20, the factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 20. The factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, and 28. Sorry. And 24. Sorry about that. So if I'm looking for the highest common factor, HCF. First, let me look for the factors. The common factors. Common factors. CF means common factors. I'm looking for the common factors of this. Now look for what is everywhere. There's 1 everywhere. There's 2 everywhere. I don't have 3 everywhere. I have 4 everywhere. There's no other thing that is there. Look at what I'm seeing. This is 1, 1, and 1. This is 2, 2, and 2. This is 4, 4, and 4. There's no other value that is what now? Everywhere. So I'll start. Now, which of these ones now is the highest? Obviously, the highest common factor is what now? Is 4. I didn't understand. Highest common factor is 4. HCF is 4. But you don't always have to write all this out to get what now? The highest common factor. I'll show you 2 ways that you can use to find highest common factor. I'll still use the same set of numbers. Very important. If I have this same set of numbers and I want to look for the highest common factor, I can write what now? This 20 is 2 times 2 times 5 as per the prime factors. 24 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 28 is 2 times 2 times 7. I already showed you how to express the mass the prime factors. If you cannot do that, please go to the videos, check the video that has to do what right? Expressing the mass product of prime factors. Right? So HCF. For the other method, I can find common factors before I find highest common factor. But this method, you can only find what now? Highest common factor. And actually, this method is easier. And in case you've forgotten, 2 into this is 10, 2 into this is 5, 5 times 6 is 1. As I got 2 times 2 times 5, you do the same for the others. Is that right? So I can now take what now? This 2, this 2, this 2, and this 2. I'll take this. There's 2 again. I'll take that. There's nothing that is common. So 2 times 2 is going to give me what now? 4. The same with what we have in the other method. Let me show you one more way to go about this. I'm still using the same set of numbers. Right? I'm using the same 20, 24, and 28. Right? Another way to do this is to write this like this. And look for what can divide everything. If you cannot divide everything, don't use it. 2 can divide everything to give me what? 10. 2 can divide everything to give me what? This 12 to give me what? 14. 2 can still divide everything. This will give me 5. This will give me what now? 6. And this will give me what? 7. There's no other number that can divide all this without what now? Can divide all of them without remainder. So my highest common factor becomes what? 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. This is method 3. Let me try one other set of numbers, then we'll do this place. Alright? Okay. If I ask you to find the highest common factor of 120, 180, and 100. and 240. I said find the highest common factor of all this. It's large. So if I want to now go and write that first method, it's going to waste my time. I can just go by the second method, 120, I have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. This is 120. 180 is going to give me about 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. This is 180. 240 is going to give me about 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. That's what now? 240. So let's move forward now. The highest common factor. HCF. Now why about it? 2 is here. I take one of them. As long as you find it everywhere, you take one of them. 2 is not everywhere anymore. There's 2, but there's no 3 here, right? So I take this 3, and this 3. What is common again? 5, and 1, and 5. So the highest common factor of 120, 180, and 240 is going to be now 60 if you multiply that out. Going by the other method that I showed you, I can have what now? I can have them written out as 120, then I have 180, then I have what now? 240. 2 can divide everything to give what? 60, 90, and what? 120. 2 can divide everything to give what now? 30, 45, and what now? And 60. 2 cannot divide everything, so I stop. But 3 can divide everything. So I go with 3 now. 3 into this is what? Is 10. 3 into this is 15. 3 into this is 20. 3 cannot divide everything. 3 cannot divide 10. 3 can divide 15. Cannot divide 20. So what can divide everything? 5 can divide everything. So this is 5. 5 into 10 is 2. 5 into 15 is what now? It's 3. 5 into that one is 4. Are you with me? So my HCF is 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, which is still what now? 60, like the answer. Just take your time, take different numbers and whatnot, and practice these things. I'm telling you, there are so many things that you can do with whatnot, with HCF, especially in algebra, but you must master it from here first. Alright? So you can just see number and tell the highest common factor. Let me show you one last thing, one more thing before we go forward. Now, since the highest common factor is what? 60. Simply, if I divide 120 by 60, you know what I'm going to get? I'm going to get the value that was not settled. That's 2. If I divided what now? 180. Sorry, I'm trying to manage the space. 180 by 160. Which value wasn't set? This guy wasn't set. So it's going to be what now? 3. You can try it. If I'm dividing what now? 240 by what? By 60. Which value wasn't set? This and what? And this. 2 times 2 is what now? Is 4. So another way to divide numbers is to understand what is highest common factor. So if I tell you now that the highest common factor of what? Of a certain number is this number by 60. It simply means that if I divide 120 by 60, is the value that was not, that is left, that wants what my answer. So 120 divided by 60 gives you 2. 180 divided by 60 gives you what? 3. 240 divided by 60 will give you what? 2 times 2, which is what? Which is 4. I'm sure you get this. Let's see what we're going to do next. Right?